Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have been working on this latest crafting project to come up with ideas how to make wall decor. So when I was at the craft store called Michael's, I happened to come across this wood type wall decor which you can decorate yourself. It happened to be on clearance, 90% off, and I'm like, ooh, this would be kind of cool, good price. I could, take this and decorate it. But on the way home, I was like, you know what would be really good? If I actually take this and use it as a template. So this solid piece of wood has a great shape. You have a seahorse. So I happened to use this cardboard I had left over from a school project I had done for my child, and I was able to cut out about 4 seahorses out of this cardboard. I have maybe a couple more that I could do with the pieces on top, but as for now, I just wanted to start out. As you can see here, I was able to cut a decent shape out using a little knife. And so here is the next step that I have done. I actually took a sheet of tin foil and scrunched it up and laid it up on top of the piece and glued it and taped it on the back side. The back side isn't pretty right now. I was thinking of taking a little piece of paper and covering up to make it more beautiful on the back side, even though it's not a side you would see because it would be the side you would use to hang up on the wall. So, and then after the tin foil was on, the tin foil was a little too shiny, so I decided to use some gray paint to give it some more definition. Makes it kind of look like it has been galvanized, which is a great kind of look this time of the year when people are redoing for spring decor, giving that fresh farmhouse feel. Seahorses are always nice. People like the coastal decor, which is good for summer. People like to have, their beachside decor hanging up. So those are my steps right now to what I'm going to do. So I was thinking with these ones that are wrapped in tin foil, maybe adding some seashells. I need to do just a little bit more to beef it up, make it a little more different than things that have been done before. And as for the ones that are just still empty, nothing has been done to them, I was thinking of maybe wrapping some kind of decorative paper over them to give them their own unique look for these two. So eventually when I get these finished, I would like to bring them over to my vendor booth, number 45 at Hidden Treasures in York, Maine. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions on how I should decorate these, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate it. Thank you for your help and have a great day. Bye.